Hello, everyone. Today's topic is Designing Microsoft Azure Infrastructure Solutions course. Welcome to GoLogica. In this video, we explore the Microsoft Azure Infrastructure Solutions course, covering key aspects such as roadmap, about the course, prerequisites, eligibility criteria, roles and responsibilities, salaries training program. About the course. The Designing Microsoft Azure Infrastructure Solutions course is an extensive training program designed to equip IT professionals with the skills needed to design, implement, and manage cloud-based solutions using Microsoft Azure. This course is ideal for cloud architects, system administrators, DevOps engineers, and IT professionals looking to deepen their expertise in cloud computing, security, networking, and cost management. Participants will gain practical experience with Azure diverse compute services, including virtual machines, VMs, containers, and Kubernetes, AKS, enabling them to build scalable and efficient cloud environments. The course covers essential storage solutions such as Azure Blob Storage, Azure Files, and Azure SQL Database, ensuring learners are proficient in managing data within the Azure ecosystem. Identity and access management is another key focus, with instruction on Azure Active Directory, AD, to help learners implement robust access control for cloud environments. Networking concepts are explored through training on virtual networks, VNets, load balancers, and VPN gateways, which enable seamless connectivity between cloud and on-premises resources. Students will also step into automation, monitoring, and high availability techniques using tools like Azure Resource Manager, ARM, Azure Monitor, and Azure DevOps to optimize cloud operations. Now we can discuss prerequisites for the training. To enroll in this course, candidates should have basic knowledge of cloud computing concepts, experience with Windows and Linux operating systems, understanding of networking, security, and virtualization. Familiarity with PowerShell or Azure CLI is beneficial. Experience with IT infrastructure, system administration, or software development is an advantage. Eligibility criteria for this course. This course is suitable for IT professionals, cloud engineers, and architects looking to specialize in Azure solutions. Developers who want to build and deploy applications in the Azure environment. System administrators and security engineers interested in cloud infrastructure management, network engineers and DevOps professionals focusing on automation and monitoring, business professionals exploring cloud migration and digital transformation strategies, and also discuss salaries, roles, and responsibilities of the Designing Microsoft Azure Infrastructure Solutions jobs. After completing this training, professionals can take on various cloud-related roles and expect competitive salaries based on their role and experience, including Azure Solutions, Architect, design and implement scalable cloud solutions, and the average salary is $130,000 to $170,000 per annum cloud engineer. Manage cloud infrastructure and automate deployments, and the salary is $110,000 $145,000 per annum Azure DevOps. Engineer, develop CI/CD pipelines and optimize cloud applications. The average salary is $115,000 $150,000 per annum. Cloud security engineer, implement security best practices and compliance measures, and the salary is $120,000 $160,000 per annum system. Administrator, maintain cloud-based infrastructure and manage resources, and earns an average salary of $80,000 $110,000 per annum. Network engineer, design and configure networking solutions in Azure, earns an average salary of $95,000 $130,000 per annum. Data engineer, worked with big data and analytics solutions on Azure, average salary is $105,000 $140,000 per annum. AI and machine learning engineer, deploy AI solutions using Azure AI services, can earn $115,000 $155,000 per annum. Azure consultant, provide cloud strategies and solutions for businesses. The average salary is $110,000 $145,000 per annum. IT manager, oversee cloud projects and manage IT operations, $125,000 $165,000 per annum. Finally, we discuss what we can gain in this training program. The Designing Microsoft Azure Infrastructure Solutions course by GoLogica is an industry-leading training program designed to equip professionals with the knowledge and skills required to build and manage scalable, secure, and cost-efficient cloud solutions using Microsoft Azure. This course is ideal for aspiring cloud architects, DevOps engineers, security specialists, and IT professionals looking to advance their careers in cloud computing. The Microsoft Azure Infrastructure Solutions program provides an extensive curriculum covering Azure services like computing, storage, networking, security, and automation. It also prepares students for the Microsoft Azure Solutions Architect certification exam through mock tests, practice exams, and exam-focused materials. GoLogica offers top-tier training on Microsoft Azure Infrastructure Solutions, including live sessions, 24/7 team support and mentorship, hands-on projects, certification support, resume building assistance, weekend batches, and flexible learning options for professionals and students. Upon completing the course, participants will be well prepared to design, deploy, and optimize scalable, secure, and cost-effective Azure solutions. The training prepares professionals for roles in enterprise cloud architecture, security, and infrastructure management, making them invaluable assets to organizations adopting Azure cloud technologies across industries. Enroll today and take the next step in advancing your career in cloud computing with GoLogica.